Hello students, see today we are going to learn the new topic from your SS textbook, that is our national symbols. Now what are our national symbols? There are 5 national symbols you can see from your textbook or you all might be knowing. Which are they? Our national flag, then our national, see I am going to show you. This is our national flag, isn't it? You all know this. This is our national flag and which is having 3 colors. Then see the next one. Next one is our bird. This is our national bird. Means peacock. Peacock is our national bird. You all know. Many of them might have seen this peacock, and it is our national bird. Then which is our national flower? This lotus. Lotus is our national flower. Lotus is our national flower. Then even the tiger. The tiger is our, see this, tiger, it is our national animal. Tiger is our national animal. Then one more emblem. National emblem is there, and Jana Gana Mana is also our national symbols. These all are our national symbols which you have to learn in the details. Now see here. Now what are these national symbols? National symbols, they are the national flag, national emblem, national anthem, national animal, national bird and national flower. These all are our national symbols. Then what they represent? They represent the unity and integrity of our country. Then our national symbols, they are our pride. Means we should be always proud of this, our national symbols, and we should keep them safe. And we always have to respect them. So because they are our national pride of our country. Then see, now we are going to see one by one.
20.
Now I will show you.
Our national symbols. The national
Now
flag.
see, this is our national
anthem,
flag.
National anthem, national animal, national bird, and national flower
See.
are our national symbols.
Now see, I am going to show you. Now this is our national flag. I told you. This is our national flag. Now you can see our national flag is having 3 colors. First is saffron, second is white, and third is green color. Now what this all color stands for? And you can see in the middle of that you are having, there is one wheel. That wheel is called as, see it is in blue in color. Again you can see this wheel. The first one is the saffron color. It stands for courage and sacrifice. This saffron color stands for courage and sacrifice. Then this white color, it stands for peace, then truth. It stands for peace and truth. And the green color, it stands for prosperity. The green color stands for the prosperity. Then this is our national flag. You all know, and these are the different colors. They stand for the different things. Then this is the, see this, you can see the wheel in the between. It is in navy blue in color, and this, see this lines you can see, there are 24 lines are there. See this all. They stand for the hours of the 24 days. You all know there are 24 hours in one day. Then this all lines in the between, they stand for the hours. See here, you can see this. This wheel, it is in the middle of this 3 colors. It is always in the middle of the 3 colors, and it is in the white color. Okay. Now see the next one. See the next one is national emblem. Can you see this? National emblem. See, it is having 3 faces of lions. Actually means there are 4 faces. There are 4 faces, and it represents as they are looking means to the 4 directions. You all know north, south, east, west. These are our 4 directions. That is, lion faces are faces towards that 4 directions. To the east, one of the faces. To the west, one of the faces. One of the faces to the south, and one is that side. Back side also one of the faces that which faces to the north side. So these all are the 4 faces which they are facing towards the direction, 4 direction. See, now you can see here there are 2 animals. See here you can see that there are 2 animals on this national emblem. Then one one is bull and one is horse. There are two, and one in the between you can see there is one V, and on what is written there you can see that Satyameva Jayate is written on that. Now what this all stands for, I'm going to read. The national emblem is the seal of the government of our India. Means on our all the government documents you can see this type of. See, you might have seen the coins, then currencies. On that all you can see this national emblem. This is the seal of our country. Then it has 4 lion faces. I told you that in the 4 directions. Then what the base is shown as the horse and the bull. Then this horse and the bull, what it stands for? The horse stands for the speed and energy, and the bull symbols the importance of hard work. You all know that bull it is very hard worker animal, so it stands for the hard worker, and this is for the energy and speed. So these 2 animals you can see here on this emblem. Then the wheel sees you can see the wheel, it is between these 2, horse and the bull. Then the word Satyameva Jayate is written on this national emblem. What it means? It means truth. That meaning is truth. Now see the next one, national anthem. This is also our national symbol. You all know the national anthem. You all, whenever you come to school, it is sung by all the students in the school when there is an assembly, or when you leave the school. At the last you sing always the national anthem, and always you have to respect the national anthem. Whenever you are singing this national anthem, you have to stand straight. You don't have to move and sing in the correct words. You don't have to make the mistake in this while saying this national anthem. And this national anthem, whichever the independence country, whichever there are the different countries in our world, then which countries are independent, they all are having their own national anthem. And so even in our Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem of our country, and it is because even our India is the independent country. So the national anthem is also one of the national symbol. The next one is tiger. Now this national symbols, you know that this national anthem also it has to be sung in the 52 seconds. You don't have to take much more time to sing that national. It is also having the time limit. Only in the 52 seconds you have to sing this national anthem. Now see the next one is national animal. Even this is the national symbol of our country, India. So what is this national animal? It is a tiger. Tiger is our national animal, and it represents grace, strength and power of our country to protect. We have to always, you all know they are saying that you all have to always protect the wild animals, and the tiger, the number of tigers are decreasing in our country. So you all have to always protect this national animal, that is tiger, and you have to try to increase them. Don't use so. This is very important animal, that is national animal tiger. The next one is national bird peacock. You all have might have seen that this national bird peacock many times in nearby your house, or if you go to the university area, there you can see this national bird peacock, and the color of the peacock is somewhat green and blue in color, and it has a long feather, and when it opens its feather in the rainy season, you might have seen in the rainy season this peacock bird, it likes to dance in the rain, and it looks very beautiful. So it is our national symbol. The bird is peacock, and you can see these colorful feathers here. These all are the colorful feathers of the peacock, and what it stands for? It stands for beauty, grace and happiness. This peacock bird, it stands for beauty, grace and happiness. The last one is national flower. Which is our national flower here? It is lotus. So you all saw this lotus flower. Anywhere you can see it being even the pink color, then white color, sometimes even in blue color you can see this lotus flower, and it is very beautiful flower. This is also the national symbol of our country. And what it stands for? It stands for truth, knowledge and wealth. It stands for truth, knowledge and wealth. So these all are 6 are our national symbols, and so these are very important. You have to respect them. Even if there is this flag, about the flag I am saying now, you don't have to put this flag down anywhere. You have to respect that flag, and see here in the textbook it is given how we have to regard this. See, national flag can be flown from sunrise to sunset. You can on all the government offices you can see this national flag. It is there put, but when it should be only from the sunrise to the sunset. Then it must be top of the. It should, whenever the flag is hoisted, it should go till the top. It should not kept in the middle. It should go till the top. Then the saffron color. This color always it should be at the top, and the green color should be the downward side. Then while carrying out the process, this flag, carried by the person giving and processing. Then tricolor must always be carried on the right shoulder. Whenever you might have seen, whenever there is a parade on the 26th January or the 15th August, it should be carried on the right side of your shoulder. And always you have to respect our national flag. Now I am going to show you the PPT presentation, and you have to listen it carefully and look carefully so that you can understand more in detail these national symbols.
They represent the unity and integrity of the country. Our national symbols are our pride. We must respect them to honor our country. National flag. Our national flag is called the tricolor or Tiranga. It is so called because it has horizontal bands of saffron, white and green colors. Saffron stands for courage and sacrifice. White stands for truth and peace. Green stands for prosperity. In the center of the white band is a wheel in navy blue color. It symbolizes the Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 spokes. Each spoke represents each hour of the day. This chakra or wheel stands for progress. The national flag can be seen on all government offices. In schools, colleges, government offices and establishments. It is unfurled on Republic Day and on Independence Day. We must respect our national flag. We need to follow certain rules with regard to the tricolor. National flag can be flown only from sunrise to sunset. Our national flag should be unfurled only when it is at the top of the mast. The saffron band should always be on the top. While carrying out the procession, the tricolor should be carried by the person heading the procession. Tricolor must always be carried on the right shoulder. Our flag is our pride. It should not be torn or in a tattered condition or dirty when hoisted. We must stand in attention when the flag is hoisted and saluted. National emblem. The national emblem is the seal of the government of India. It can be seen on all government documents, currency notes, coins, letters, and envelopes. Our national emblem has been adopted from the lion capital erected during Emperor Ashoka's time at Sarnath near Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. It has 4 lions facing 4 directions. This symbolizes that these 4 lions are guardians of the 4 directions. However, only 3 lions can be seen at a time. The lions stand for courage and power. The base of the emblem shows a horse and a bull. The horse symbolizes energy and speed. The bull symbolizes the importance of hard work. A wheel is seen between the horse and the bull. The words Satyameva Jayate, which means truth only triumphs, are inscribed below the wheel. Each and every Indian is to follow this motto. National anthem. All independent countries have a national anthem. India also has a national anthem. It is sung daily in your school assembly, in offices, colleges, villages, as well as towns and cities. It is sung on important days, especially on national festivals. We sing the national anthem to praise and glorify our motherland. It was written by famous poet Rabindranath Tagore. How will you show respect to the national anthem? You can show respect by singing it correctly and by being disciplined. For this, we are drilled to stand in attention while singing the national anthem. National animal. The Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. It symbolizes India's wealth of wildlife. It represents grace, strength, and power. To protect it from extinction, national parks and wildlife sanctuaries are being set up. National bird. The peacock is the national bird of India. It is a beautiful blue-green colored bird. It has a long blue neck, a fan-shaped crest, and a long tail of feathers. It spreads its tail into a beautiful fan to hop and dance. In many states, the peacock is regarded as holy. It stands for beauty, grace, and happiness. National flower. The lotus is the national flower of India. It is offered to deities during rituals. It grows in muddy waters of shallow ponds and lakes. It stands for truth, knowledge, and wealth. It is widely used in Indian art and architecture.